Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix how to solve Pinterest. It's not available on your device. To know how to fix how to solve Pinterest, it's not available on your device. You should just go to settings as you see and you click. After that, in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Pinterest. Here in this window, we will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage and here we click clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.